Welcome back to Origami videos. Let's make this Christmas wreath together. All you're gonna need are 8 pieces of square paper, or you can use 8 pieces of half of the paper. And we'll start by folding our paper in half, so like this. And next step, we'll open our paper and bring the outside line and fold them to the middle line. So from one side and from the other side. And now that we have it, we'll fold the bottom part of the paper up on this middle line. So just fold it in half. Or if you start with half of the paper, this will be a starting position, so just fold paper in half. Like this. So this is where the paper opens, and also here paper opens. And now we'll fold the corners of the paper down, so we'll make a diagonal here. So bring the corner down here so that this line and this line aligns. And do the same on the other side. So bring the top corner and fold it down. Like this. Now in the next step, we'll fold our paper in half. So bring this corner to the corner right here. Like this. And now we will repeat the same steps with the remaining 7 pieces of paper. I will speed this a little bit. And now all 8 pieces are ready for the next step. Now we'll take one piece of the paper and it has pockets right here. So one pocket and the second pocket, and we'll take another piece and we'll slide these pointy parts of the paper into those pockets. So in one pocket and in the other, and now just press it down like this. And we'll repeat the same steps with the others. So slide it in the pocket and press it down. You can help yourself by first opening the pockets like I'm doing here and then sliding in. We are almost there. One more. So I will open the pockets, slide it in, and now with the last part we'll again open the pockets right here and slide these pointy parts of the paper in. So I will open it a little bit, open the pockets and slide the edges in like this. Now I will play with it a little bit so that it has the right shape that I want. And this is how you make Christmas wreath. If you want, you can add a little bit of rope and you can tie it right here, or you can punch a hole and tie it. I will show you both ways. So just take a little bit of rope, push it through the hole, and you can tie it like this with a normal tie. Or if you want, you can punch a hole right here. And push a rope through the hole.